The holidays are a time of family, joy, and celebration. Well, they can also leave your pocket feeling the pinch. If you're looking to make the most of the season without breaking the bank, then this guide is for you. Here are 15 smart, relatable, real-life tips to help you stay on budget and still enjoy the magic of the Christmas season. Hey y'all, Chantel here, the curator of this channel and your bestie. Thank you all so much for joining today. If you're new here and you like what you see, please do subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on that bell icon. Very important, next to the subscribe button, so whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get the notification. At the end of this video, if you get value from watching it, please do well to share. Let me know in the comment section as well and give it a thumbs up. Alrighty, thank you so much. The first tip I'll be sharing to help you stay on a budget this season is to set a spending limit for gifts. Create a budget and make sure you stick to it. Assign specific amounts to each person on your list to avoid overspending. Number 2, I don't know if this is coming in clutch because I feel like this video is a bit late, but yeah, you can also save this video for next year, and that is shop early and compare prices. Start shopping in November or early December to avoid last minute price hikes. For instance, if you're looking to get a blender, compare prices from different vendors before you purchase. Number 3, explore DIY gifts. You can create handmade gifts like knitted scarves, framed family photos, or baked goods if you're the one who bakes. Banana bread is very simple to make, so you can explore that. You can package the baked goods in decorative tins and just share amongst your friends or co-workers. Number 4, which is something that works for me, and that is to limit social gatherings. Politely decline some events. Nobody's going to beat you. You know your purse and you know that if you head out for that one, you might overspend. So just stay put at home sometimes. Instead of attending every outing, prioritize free or low-cost outings. It's not everywhere they blow whistle that you hang your bag and go to. Okay, that's a whole story for another day, but yeah, let's just tie it to this budgeting video. Number 5, make sure you stick to a meal plan. Plan your holiday meals in advance to avoid impulse buys. Work with your budget. It's hard, I know, but it is very well worth it. You can do this by making a list of everything you need before visiting the market or the supermarket, whichever comes first or whichever is your preference, and make sure you stick to it. The 6 points I'll be sharing that can help you stick to your budget during this Christmas season is to use cashback or discount codes. Use apps like Pay Later and Flutterwaves to find deals and earn cashback. For discount offers, try to shop first on the sales aisle. I promise you will get some good deals off there, and these things are never really expired when you're about to shop them, especially when you know that you're using it almost immediately. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or overstock sales are also a good idea. Even though these days I don't really understand the Black Friday deals, but yeah, you get to save some coins. Number 7, implement a Secret Santa exchange. What that means is that instead of buying gifts for everybody, suggest a Secret Santa. For example, in a group of 10 friends, each person buys only one gift within a set price range. Number 8, repurpose decorations. Use last year's Christmas decorations instead of buying new ones. You can refresh old ornaments with DIY processes like spray paint, glitter, or don't even stress yourself. You can use what you used last year. Nobody is going to come and flog you. It's your house, your rules. Save that money. There's no rule that says you need new ornaments every year. Take it from me. The 9th tip is to plan your travel smartly. Be sure to book your tickets early enough to avoid peak season prices. Or you can consider road travel if it is cheaper for you. I don't know if that is still possible in the part of the world where I'm filming this video from. If you know, you know. The 10 points on how to budget wisely this season is to set up a savings account solely for holiday purposes. Open a special account with your preferred bank or use apps like PiggyVest to save ahead. For example, if you save 5,000 Naira weekly or even monthly between the months of January and December, you know how much it will amount to at the end of the year. And you know that that's for Jaye only. Number 11, for those who don't have any money at all, or you're not even looking to spend the little that you have, right? You can give the gift of time. Offer non-material gifts to your loved ones like babysitting, running errands for them, or even teaching them a skill. You can spend the day baking with your younger cousin as a gift, something that will impact knowledge in them. It doesn't necessarily always have to be about money and gifting material things. Trust me, this makes a lot of difference. Number 12, use free or low-cost entertainment. available during the season. Attend free Christmas concerts, carol services, or even community events. You can do all of that without paying for an expensive concert that involves one musician or the other. Number 13 is to avoid impulse buying. What I do for non-essential items that I really like is to wait 24 hours before purchasing. That way, in the course of the time, I might lose interest in that thing. I don't just buy because I like it at the time. So you can try that if you're one who is used to buying things on impulse. Think about it first. Is it truly necessary, or you just want to buy it because you have the money in your account at the time? The 14th point I'll be sharing in this holiday season budget video is to cook at home. There's food at home. Host your Christmas or holiday dinners at home instead of eating out. You will save a lot of money. You can cook your favorite jollof rice, fried rice at home instead of dining at a higher end restaurant. Because you're not just paying for the food in those restaurants, you're paying for the aesthetic, you're paying for the AC, you're paying for everything in the building, plus your food. The 15th and final point is to set your expectations early. What that means is that you discuss budget-friendly plans with your family and or your friends. For example, you can agree that everyone brings one dish for Christmas instead of the host covering everything. That'll help you save some coins. 15 points later, that concludes this budgeting video for the holidays. I just tried to keep it light and very relatable so that everybody can understand where I'm coming from, right? Always have it at the back of your mind that budgeting during the holidays doesn't mean sacrificing the joy of the season. It's about being creative and intentional. With the tips I mentioned, you can celebrate Christmas to the fullest while keeping your bank account in check. Remember that the best gifts are the memories you create and the love that you share. Happy holidays! Thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way again, stay amazing. Mwah. Bye!
Up in the ring and she styling. She always gon' ride and you know that we vibing. Come join, yeah, I hope you subscribed in. No videos weekly, she vlog for her peoples whenever she go to the islands. Self-development shown in the content. Yeah, she helping you lift up your conscience. Whoa, this is Chantel, but you already know. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. 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 This Chantel,